Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to share the recipe of an instant plum cake. So let's start. Take all the dry fruits and nuts of your choice. Here I have taken some almonds, cashew nuts and dry cherries. Chop them to small pieces. In this recipe, we don't have to soak the dry fruits and nuts, as like we do in the traditional cake recipe. But the cake is of perfect taste and texture. We have also shared the traditional cake recipe in our channel. You can find the link to it in the I button. As part of the preparation, let's make orange zest. And then keep it aside. Now for making the instant dry fruit mix, we need orange juice. For that, I take the juice of 3 medium-sized oranges. Extract the orange juice fresh. Here we get about 2 cups of the juice. Now for making the dry fruit mix, heat a pan, add the chopped almonds and cashew nuts, dry roast them for 2 to 3 minutes. Once they are half roasted, add the dry cherries, add raisins, and add some candied fruits. All these combines to give an attractive color and crunch. Roast them all together. You can take any dry fruits and nuts of your choice. Roast for 2 to 3 minutes or till they become soft and chewy. Stir in between. Keep the flame at low so that they don't burn. Now we add the orange juice. I keep half cup of the orange juice reserved to add in the batter. Now add honey for an extra flavor and glaze on the nuts. Mix all together. And cook till the juice is well absorbed. It may take about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring in between. Now you can see the juice is well absorbed and the fruits and nuts also have become soft. At this time, off the flame and let's keep it to cool. Then moving to the next step, we're going to make the cake spices. Add clove, cardamom, cinnamon, cake zira, nutmeg powder, and dry ginger powder. I also add some sugar for easy grinding, but this is optional. Now grind them to a powder form. Our cake spices are also ready now. Keep it aside. And moving to the next step of making the dry cake mix. First, take the white flour. We need to sift all the dry ingredients together. Do it in batches. Add baking powder. Add salt and also the cake spices. Sift them together. This helps to remove any lumps and also gives a fine mix. Our dry cake mix is ready now. Keep it aside. The next step is a wet cake mix. In a clean bowl, I take 3 medium-sized eggs. Beat them at medium speed. Beat them till they turn creamy in texture. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Now add the powdered sugar. Beat again at medium speed. Now add vanilla essence, melted butter, add orange zest, and also the reserved orange juice. Now mix all together. You can also do it with a whisk or spatula. Here our wet cake mix is also ready. Now we are just left with combining all together. But before that, add some flour to the dry fruit mix so that they don't sink to the bottom on baking. Now coming to the final step of making the cake batter. Into the wet cake mix, we're going to add the dry cake mix. Fold in gently. We do it in batches. Now add the dry fruit mix to the batter. And combine all together. Now our cake batter is ready to bake. Grease the baking tray with butter or some baking spray. Line it with parchment paper. Also remember to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Pour the cake batter to the tray. Do not fill it to the full. Tap the tray so that the air bubbles can escape out. Now bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. Or till the toothpick inserted comes out dry. Our instant plum cake is perfectly done. You can use it immediately or you can also store it. It stays well up to 2 weeks. Hope you enjoyed baking with us. Stay connected until next time.